Hello, everyone, and welcome again to the True Plan of Living. Today, we will be making a pineapple ginger smoothie. Here are our ingredients: 3.5 cups pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, a quarter-inch ginger, half teaspoon vitamin C powder, approximately 2,500 milligrams, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 cup of water. Put them all in a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. But here are some health benefits of the ingredients. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, hence it helps to boost the immune system and provides antioxidants. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it also can help to boost the immune system. Vitamin C helps support healthy immune function and glutathione production, which is a strong antioxidant. It also provides support for collagen synthesis, blood vessel integrity, and skin health. This smoothie is an immune booster smoothie. And there you have it, pineapple ginger smoothie, an immune booster. All right, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our videos. Once again, thank you for tuning in to the True Plan of Living. On the true plan of living. See you next time.